What's up, everybody? On this episode, I'm going to give the body a nice thick coat of sandable fillable primer, and I'm going to give the undercarriage a nice black coat. Since this is a curbside model, I will not be detailing this at all, just flat black. I just fixed the areas, as you can see, the holes that were in it. As onto the body, you can see where I've done a lot of modifications to the front. It's got a custom front end. I have not carved out the hood line yet. Flared fender wells, custom cruiser skirts, deleted trim, door handle shaved, custom rear. Since the roof had already been crushed in and removed, I went ahead and filled the back area with styrene, as you can see, and also filled the holes where the previous owner had damaged it. In my last video, I showed you where I cut out the windshield area, where the windshield will fit in a lot nicer now. And I hope nobody gets distracted by my hot rod in the background. I need to start working on this thing again. That's my other channel. I just recently got my front end that I wanted. I've been chasing one of those for a long time. That's a Ford Jubilee tractor front end. I'm gonna slice it right here and make a nice grill out of it. Hopefully to cover up my radiator. But in progress. Let's get back to what we were doing though. Okay, this time I will be using a RUSTOLEUM 2-in-1 fillable sandable primer. It sprays out real thick. I need it on this because I've done a lot of sanding. Let's give her a nice coat. Looks like it laid out pretty good. Let's see how she looks when she dries. Side of this looks pretty dry, so let's go ahead and flip that over and give it a coat. Using the RUSTOLEUM Rust Reformer again. Even though it doesn't need it, but it's a good black primer. I think she's all coated. While we're here, why don't we go ahead and take a look at this, because I think she's almost dry. Might put another coat on this side. That might be good for a first coat. There are a few spots that I need to work on. Sand down smooth. Cowl area needs some work. This fender over here in the front definitely needs some work. You can see it. There. Well, I think the next step is probably 220. See if we can get her smooth. Thanks for joining in. Check back on the next episode.